Okay, I need to buy ticket, yeah? Where? Here. Wow, stupa is really wide and big. It is the biggest in Kathmandu?
In the world.
In the world. Biggest stupa in the...
It's called Boudhanath Stupa. It's the Buddhist.
Yeah.
Buddhist stupa.
And around this, okay, many shops.
So we do 3 times Quran.
Okay, 3 times walk around clockwise.
Good for our soul.
Okay.
Good for our health. Breathing,
Yeah,
spiritual.
Everyone is doing that, yeah? Yeah. Walking around 3 times. Yeah.
Most people.
Always clockwise. Walk around clockwise 3 times. These also old buildings?
These are old.
This person will do it like lay down, yeah?
It's Quran.
He will do it how many times? Also 3 times?
So sometimes they do many times.
Many times. Okay, we enter. Actually entered stupa.
Hello, sir.
Hello. So I take off.
No. जता उता खाना तपाईँ ग्रुप भयो नि त उता जता राख्नु त्यता सुन्नुहोस् न त्यता झन् सेफ भन्छ है
Here. And what is
you have to take off.
what do we do then?
Yeah. Not allowed to.
Oh, and then we enter there. Yes. Okay. Okay, we take off our shoes or slippers and we can enter stupa. Biggest stupa in the world.
36-meter high.
Oh, 36 meters.
36 meters.
Impressive, very impressive.
118 feet.
108 feet. Okay, 180 feet, 18 feet, 36 meters.
This stupa built 14th century.
13th,
14.
14th. Okay, so it's 600 years old.
Yeah,
Stupa.
6. Yeah.
How do you call this?
Look in this space.
Oh, his face is here. It's a god, yes. I guess. So you can make a lamp here. Wow, how hot it is here. How does it work? You make a lamp and put it there?
I want to make lamp, but now finish. She says.
No more.
No more. Yeah.
We will go to the rooftop,
Golden eyes.
the golden eyes, and we will see stupa from different angles. Amazing. And mountains. But this haze, it's pollution from cars.
Yeah, pollution. This is that direction.
Okay,
We
yeah,
came
there is
from
some.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Peaceful.
Peaceful, beautiful. Great experience. Banana latte. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, good.
Good, yeah. No doubt.
Okay. These are monks.
Yeah, monks. They have some ceremony.
Oh, look how this stupa looked 100 years ago. And look, earthquake was in 2015. It was destroyed in 2015.
Picture from 100 years ago. At that time, no big buildings, huh?
Yeah,
All the
yeah,
land
yeah.
are empty.
100 years ago it looked like this. Fruit stand. So tickets have to be purchased, of course, by foreigners.